Oh, hey. I'm Julia,
Hi, I'm Mike.
and we're on our honeymoon here in Hawaii, and we just took the hole-in-the-wall food tour with Matthew and Kira, and it was unbelievable. It was totally awesome.
We came from Toronto, so we're really used to good food, and coming to Hawaii...
We weren't sure what we would find, actually.
That's it, exactly.
And they found the most amazing hole-in-the-wall places, and it was delicious, savory, sweet, salty, meaty, chocolatey. You try everything. It was so great.
I don't know if you could tell, but I'm quite full.
Let's look at those tummies.
Yeah.
That's right. Let's look at these.
Oh, you don't have one.
Full tummies.
That's right.
Full, and you know, you're walking through really interesting places. It was phenomenal.
And we're in the John and Kate +8 van, which is actually quite comfortable.
Oh, just...
I think it's a little bit fancier than that, but
It's a little fancy.
super air conditioned, totally awesome, great day.
And great people, so we highly recommend it. Worth every penny.
Thanks, guys. Give me one of these.
Yeah.